Hello everyone, I'm Vansh and today I'm gonna do a showcase of my projects that I've just recently made this month. Okay, so I've opened the code editor in front of you. I've made a full stack project फॉर अ न्यूज़ चैनल, अ न्यूज़ मीडिया वेबसाइट, जिसमें मैंने बहुत सारे फीचर्स डाले हैं एंड मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ आपको बताने के लिए मेरी वेबसाइट के बारे में कि मैंने बहुत सारे फीचर्स मेहनत से लाइक विद टू मच एफर्ट एंड अदर थिंग्स मैंने डाले हैं. जैसे नॉट ओनली वन फीचर अबाउट editing things or normal static things. I've added dynamic features in which admin dashboard and editor dashboard are included. तो सबसे एक्साइटिंग पार्ट जो है वो डैशबोर्ड्स का है, वो मैं आपको एंड ऑफ द वीडियो बताऊंगा. सो फर्स्ट आई विल गो विद द वेबसाइट एंड टेल यू एवरीथिंग अबाउट द वेबसाइट दैट आई हैव मेड. ओके, so let me start with the code editor. This is the code editor, like this is the folder structure in which I've made everything. Wait a second please. Okay, everything is open, looking messy. So it is the client and this all is server related, node related. So React, I've added React server in the client folder, and out of that I've added Node.js, Express and MongoDB configurations. So let's start with the output. Now I'm very curious to see your reactions about the website that I've developed. Okay, so this is the output of my web app, because it's very dynamic and not only static. So this is the home page. It's looking it's not looking good because there is no images or something. When admin will add real data, it would look very beautiful than other websites. So this is not an ordinary website, right? And in this I have added a slider, okay, like that fetches 10 latest news and displays on the home page. Okay, so this is some formalities that I've added, only this thing, okay, because other things are dynamic. This advertisement space, I've added advertisement slots, like for a website advertisements are required, like in the future the admin or the client has to make some money, okay. So the admin could add advertisement say also here, okay, and the user with Google blogging you could make money with adding advertisements on your website or other spaces. So this is code of the day, lifetime, weather, everything is getting fetched from an API. weather API एक है, I don't know which website, मतलब मैं नाम भूल गया, पर I've added weather API for weather fetching temperature, okay. It's weatherapi.com, I think so. And code of the day, it's fetching from Wikipedia, like in the Wikipedia the latest codes, and lifetime is default time of the GMT in which we are living. Okay, so this is the latest content gallery, super dynamic. Sorry, I forgot to say about advertisements, okay. This is also super dynamic. Podcast gallery, in which we could add podcast, in future client has its podcast to add if it has its radio, so right, he could add a podcast, okay. And in video gallery he could add videos like for example there are some recorded videos about news or thing. It would appear in slider like this. There is no content, that why the website is looking little bit empty. Okay, so it would look very beautiful in a slider, like the thumbnail. Okay, and here the content will come and a beautiful slider. Okay, so this is the footer that normal we make, but there is a very special thing that I will show you at the end, this stuff logging. Okay, so let's start with the next tab, news tab. In news tab I have added sidebar ads. Okay, and latest news section in which the admin could add articles, news that it wants to. It's looking dull because this red is a placeholder image. Okay, the admin, when it would add image, okay, when it would edit the article, the image will come and it will look super beautiful. I have not added new image fetching because they are like, there is many confusion of copyrights and other things. Okay, so next is audio, like same as this section but a bigger version of this. Okay, so here all audios, like all our audios, like the admin has added same sidebar ads, and videos also same, like all videos, breaking news, interviews, analysis meaning like stock videos, how much stock is going up or down, and other things, documentaries, live. So categorization, I have added categorization that admin could choose the category and it would display. Okay, so this is the live section. Second, sorry, it autoplays, so I could disable it. So I have paused because a copyright is gonna come. So okay, so this is the live page in which the admin could add multiple live streams, also stop them, and this is the, I could choose different live stream here. Okay, oh my god. Okay, so like the live this thing, so the admin would not post other videos, so this is just a fake mock data. Okay, I have added like I'm the admin, it okay, so the admin could add its live videos, like if he has a live, is hosting a live video or live event or something, he could post here and users could choose from him. Next is opinion tab, in which admin could add its opinions, like adding like what could be, the admin could add multiple opinions or images. Okay, so it would appear in slider. I added this fake opinion. Next is contact and about. So these are just formalities, but contact has a little bit of dynamic functionality. I've added Gmail contacting, and in about us, I'll leave it. This is full static, but I've made it, some stylish. Okay, so let's go to the most exciting part that I was discussing about at the end of the video. Okay, the stuff login. Okay, when we click on it, email address, password, like we could log in the stuff. I've added RBAC, role based access control. There are two roles, admin and editor. Admin has everything, editor has like limited functionality. So let's start with the admin first. Let me open a new one. Okay, so please wait a second. Admin, oh thank you Google autofill. Wait a second, sorry. Oh my god. Okay, so you're logged in. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard. Let me refresh it so that every data is fetched properly. But I have added socket.io for more efficient data loading and instant loading. So I've added many features, and with my 3 days effort, with coding on the keyboard. Okay, so total users, published news, scheduled news, published podcast. This all I will explain you. Okay, so let's start with the first, total users. These are you have to add a user in feature, like client has to add a user, or a new staff joined and he has given job to control the website. Okay, so the client could add user, first name, last name, username, email address, password, this everything, user role. Okay, and it could also add admin. Okay, so we could delete or edit user. I'm not gonna delete myself. Okay, so like send email, we could send the email on the user's email. Okay, if we go to back, let's start with published news. Okay, look, manage news, add news article. Search is a very important thing in everything. Search is very important thing in every website or tab or section. Like, look, there are many newses in future. If client has to look at a news, it could search the news. Like, I'm searching about the flood. They are the all news results. Okay, I could also add a new article. Look, this much big page, beast page. So title, headline, excerpt, content, media content, like image, if we want to add image, or URL, like if there is a URL, and video content, if we want to add some videos, that would come in slider. Okay, so like we could add and additional images. We could add image. Oh, sorry, it is full of trash, rubbish. Okay, so we could add images, and the main thing is content analytics. Okay, so I've added content analytics. Okay, so I've added OpenAI key, for managing the SEO and managing that content is fine or not, would it look good or not, like words, minimum SEO score. Okay, so the AI would manage this, and it's important that there should be a good SEO for posting news, so the Google will attract to it more. Okay, so let's go with the publication settings. They are categories. Like I said you before that I have added categorization. Look how much categories I have added, so that we could choose a category from the news of videos. Okay, draft. I've added draft, publish, schedule. Like draft means if you want to save this news or publish later. Published, like it means you want to publish it immediately. And schedule means if you want to publish on a specific date or time. Okay, so article priority, like if I enable this one, breaking news, urgent, there is a breaking news, it want to be immediately on the homepage or front of, like priority, higher, lower, and in the news section it comes breaking news and featured article. I could enable both because if I have an important news, super important news, okay. publishing options, like I've told you that a scheduled news system, like publish on a date or specific time, okay. And tags and keywords, like I could add a tag, like any tag. I could add multiple tags. And here, advanced SEO. I think the OpenAI has to do many frustration on this because when it comes to advanced, that means advanced. Okay, so focus keyword, meta title. Focus keyword means like in which you want to put emphasis on it. Meta title means like the meta title for Google to get attracted, same as the description and canonical URL for this article. The social media title, description, image URL or keyword. Okay, so this is the news section. Let me go back and show you something else. So I hope you're not bored. Okay, so this is scheduled news, like how much news are scheduled. This is the output is this because they are not that much news is scheduled, like there are not any news is scheduled, so it redirects to news section to tell the client about that you have to schedule the news first, then it would display. Next is published podcast. I could manage podcast title, description, duration, host, if there are guests, any show notes, transcript, like the transcript of the full podcast, meta title, description, keyword, audio file, its thumbnail, settings, create podcast preview. Okay, so let's go to videos. I could add videos there, title, description, its category, quality, status. Okay, video content, next is opinion, like I've told you before that I have added opinion, dummy opinion 1 to 3, so we could delete edit from here. Okay, I've added CRUD operations also, essential if it's it looks good in a full stack application, and that's why almost full stack application is meant for. Okay, so this is news fetching, the most exciting part in the dashboard. The news fetching, like this news is are getting fetched from these functions. Look, I added RSS feed, web scraping, combined fetch. RSS feed, combined RSS feed I've added that it fetches from the RSS feed, and web scraping I've added that it fetches from web with the beautiful soup library in Python. Okay, next is combined fetch. Combined fetch is like super exciting point, and it has a mind-blowing thing. Combined fetch, like it's not that only. Okay, like RSS feed and web scraping. Okay, I've made this so the client the client it makes easy for the client to fetch news and edit them. Okay, combined fetch it fetches RSS feed and web scraping. Okay, I've added a feature in which it would fetch from the OpenAI API key, like it would tell the OpenAI API to fetch and search the articles online. Okay, so the client did not need it, but I have added that. I added that. I'll show you. Okay, so let's go back and go to live streams. Live streams, we could manage live stream here, pause them or play. Okay, and next is push notifications. I've made an app for also this website, okay, for this project. I've made it by Expo and plus React combination, and I've added a special thing using SNS, simple notification system, which sends the notification to the mobile, like push notification if the admin wants to send any like about breaking news or something. Okay, the sound type. Okay, the app the app should be essential to be sent it on the phones. Okay. So this is the user management. Wait a second. As I've told, this is the same, for quick actions, same page. But I've more focused on RBAC on this. Like, it's for me, it was very hard to add RBAC, but I focused and finally made it. And next, I've shown you all. Okay. And editor dashboard is also there, same as admin dashboard, but there are limited functionalities, like there is not news fetching, this and that's it. So this is my project. I hope you liked it, and you should feel free to contact me if you want to make a project or something like that, or you have any questions about my project. So please contact me if you want to. And that's for it in this video. Not that, I'm making more projects, so I will showcase them also. Okay, bye everyone. Jai Shri Ram. Let's see you in the next video.